Hi, I'm Lynn Barker with America's Home Place. I am the construction manager in Statesville. I want to talk about customers just a minute. In particular, I want to talk about some of the more difficult situations we run into. You know, the house that starts easy, it's on a perfect lot, and the house just streams right along. Those are sweet jobs and those are nice, but every house isn't like that. Every customer doesn't have that situation. Many customers run into a problem with the lot. And even though when you come to America's Home Place and you buy this house from us, we're building it on your property. So as we work together on the property, we come up with solutions. So I just want to give you a couple of examples. We built a house last year out on Lake Norman, and they wanted the house as close to the lake as they could get it. We worked very hard to stay within the setbacks that were required, the distance off of the lake, of course, but we did get the house where they wanted it. The problem was, once we started digging the footings, we hit water immediately. And it wasn't just a little bit of water, it was groundwater. So we had a situation that had to stop construction, figure out what to do. So when a situation like that happens, then we work to come up with the solution. So we got into the engineering on it. We ended up doing pilings on this one. We have a subcontractor who does those. So it wasn't a problem we could not overcome. As we had to go through this process, it was important, very important, that we communicate with the customer exactly what was going on. So as we hit the groundwater, we immediately stopped because we knew there were going to be additional costs involved in the construction of this home. So as we stopped, we got the customer informed on the situation. We let them know there was a solution to it. We worked to the solution. We got back to them with the extra costs that would be involved to build the house on this property. And then once we did that, we moved forward. We had another situation about 2 years ago where our customer wanted to build a house on the top of the hill, and it sloped down. But unfortunately for him, where he wanted to build the house was the only place that we could put the septic system. So we had to move the house to the bottom of the lot. He really wanted to build there, so we let him know that there was a possibility there would be water down there because there was a stream nearby. And sure enough, when we dug footings, we did hit water there. Again, we came up with the solution. We worked with the customer to make this happen. And we ended up with a sealed crawl space. We ended up with a Fritz drain in the front yard. And we came up with a solution that made this customer happy. And it actually made the dream that he had of building his home in that location happen. So as we run into different situations, just want to let you know that everything is not smooth and easy, but you have professionals with America's Home Place who are willing to work with you to come up with a solution to make your dream happen. Again, I'm Lynn Barker, construction manager, America's Home Place in Statesville. Thanks.